Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step, and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate with a mustache, a really goofy one, and that's pretty much the MO for this. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker and simple, basically very simple computer printing paper. So you don't have to use this, it's up to you. You don't have to like do it with me. You can kind of just watch and then do it with me, or you can just, do it with me, which I hope you can. So let's get going. Curve over here for the side of the visor of the crewmate. Curve over here, the top. I'm gonna go around here and I'm gonna curve around the edge over here. Like so. And then down at the bottom, I'm gonna curve. Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna curve the other direction because right here I'm gonna curve up because I want that mustache to interfere. And I'm gonna curve over here another little hill. So I want the little shape pulling out over here for the mustache, pulling out over here for the mustache. And I want to give him like a Yosemite Sam, like huge mustache. Curve over here. It's gonna come up, and I'm gonna make that same curve on this side. Curve over here to give it some highlight. See, like I'm giving another curve right there, and that top part's going to be light while we're going to fill in the bottom. Over here as well. Over here, I'm just filling in this bottom part right here, because that's the big chunk of the mustache. Going over here, line at the top of the head. It's the forehead basically. I'm going to curve over here. Also, if you like this step-by-step method of learning this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification. I post 3 drawings every single day. It's basically 3 how-to lessons. They're all simple. They're all extremely for beginners. So click the bell notification and click the little bell icon. When you do that, it's not going to completely overwhelm your feed. It's just going to throw, I don't know, every 3rd or 4th video into your feed, and you can decide whether you want to draw it that day. I'm going to curve over here, but basically if what I do here is worth your time, please consider doing that. Curve over here, top of the head. Right on. I'm gonna pull a line straight down for the front of the body here. Right there. Gonna pull a line down here for the back of the body here. Like so. Right on, doing good. Doing good so far. So I'm gonna curve a line here at the front for the front of the foot, the front foot. Up. Curve a line here, up. And I'm curving in here. So now we have most of the body there, except for the backpack. So about halfway into his, it's funny, it looks like glasses now. About halfway into his lens right here, like up to down, about halfway. I'm gonna put a line here for the back of the backpack, and then over here, the bottom of his body, I'm gonna put the bottom of the backpack, and I'm gonna connect these up. Like so. Right on. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a thicker line around the entire outer edge. And the reason I do that is because I think it just looks nicer. It makes it look kind of like a, I don't know, like a sticker. I know I've said that before, but that's literally what what it looks like to me. It looks like a sticker. Like so. Line over here. Don't forget, check out the playlist for Among Us. I have playlists. I have a playlist. Basically, every video that goes on here, because there's so many videos that come out, they will go on a playlist page. So go check out that playlist page. When you can see kind of like a selection of maybe the property that you want. I'm about to make a Friday Night Funkin' playlist because I made a few videos for that. Now I'm like making a lot of them. Now I need to really, I think I need a playlist for that. All right, almost there. And I could still kind of add on something here, to be honest, like a little thought bubble. No, like a speech bubble, so. Circle right there. Gonna draw a triangle over here. And then I want something in there that's gonna be really just normal. So I'm gonna draw like an exclamation point. So that's gonna be literally just a box. And any of these things you can add on to. Just kind of remember that this is all meant to be fun and simple, and you can just kind of do whatever you want in this, universe that you're creating. That's the idea of the whole channel, is to have you create whatever illustration that you want. You can just draw the same one, which is absolutely great, and then you could also, draw this and add on to it, or you can draw this and kind of have this in your mind, and it's just going to help you out in general. Gotta thicken that line out over here because I feel like it needed it. And I might thicken the lens here just a bit. For the most part, that's it. I want to thank you for being around. If you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the pacing of the video, please hit the like. When you hit the like, it helps the algorithm out, and it just kind of like, it's a good kind of like thank you to me if you enjoyed it. Also, share the video if you have time. Sharing the video helps just in general. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am forever grateful. Everybody's been so amazing on this channel to me, and I've been doing this for 6 years, and I want to keep doing it. I want to keep doing it at the same pace that I'm doing it now. Let me know what you want. Let me know what you want from the channel as far as what to draw or maybe how to do it, and I will see what I can do. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time, okay? My name's Enrique. Reach out to me. We'll talk to you very soon, Easies.